Here's a question for you. Will 1051 hand applied to a painted surface come anywhere near the realm of paint protection film? I think we should test that out.
You're up against the bushes. Regular PPF.
1051. You got a dent. You probably, I think it's just a glare in the lighting. You might need a dab of color right there and some PDR. PPF, same thing. What's crazy about this, before we move over to the OEM paint, is that this is at least 6.5 mils, and this is a hand-applied coating. Scientifically, that doesn't make sense. A little bit better lighting so you can see. I'll try to get this thing to focus. Just a dent. And this was PPF. A little dent in the, right at the top. You can see just a speck of paint needed. And about the same right there. So like a toothpick of paint for each. That's a BB gun against PPF on a painted panel and one hand applied coat of 1051. We tried to tell you we're not going to hide anything. Do you think we were talking shit?